In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy survey responses with Surveymonkey Audience. If you're looking to gather insights and opinions from a specific group of people, Surveymonkey Audience is a fantastic tool. So let's get started by showing you how to navigate this process effectively. First, make sure you're logged into your Surveymonkey account. If you don't have one yet, it's easy to sign up. Once logged in, you'll want to set about creating your survey. As you design your survey, remember to align it with the Surveymonkey audience guidelines. This is crucial to ensure that it can be distributed properly through their platform. Next, it's important to note that Surveymonkey audience has certain restrictions. Be sure to avoid collecting personal information, setting quotas, or using file upload questions. These limitations help maintain the survey's integrity and respect participants' privacy, while ensuring that your survey meets the required standards. Once your survey meets the design prerequisites, it's time to move to efficiency. Head over to the Collect Responses tab of your survey. Here, you'll find the option to streamline your respondent feedback process by clicking on Buy Targeted Responses. Choosing this will kickstart the audience collector setup. Input the number of complete responses you're aiming for. A critical step here, especially if you're using screening questions, is to set an estimated qualification rate. This helps you predict how many respondents you'll need to engage with to achieve your desired completed survey count. Keeping this ratio in mind assists in budgeting your audience strategy effectively. Next, select your target audience meticulously. Surveymonkey allows you to focus on specific groups such as the general population, full-time employees, or consumer shoppers. After choosing the category that's most relevant to your research, delve into more detailed criteria like selecting the country, gender, age, and income levels of the people you wish to survey. This granular targeting ensures that the responses you gather are truly representative of your desired demographic. As you hone in on these criteria, Surveymonkey will present you with a cost estimate. This calculation is influenced by your targeting choices alongside the overall length of your survey. Armed with this financial overview, you'll be in a solid position to proceed to checkout and pay either with a credit or debit card, or using audience credits if you have them. Post-payment Surveymonkey will distribute your carefully curated survey to panelists who match your specified profile. As responses start rolling in, you can follow the response collection journey and analyze the data in real time within the platform. Observing these insights will help you act swiftly and refine your strategies based on actual, actionable data. With these steps, you've just successfully launched a survey using Surveymonkey Audience, paving the way to gather valuable insights directly relevant to your needs. Thank you for joining us, and happy surveying!